how to do fabrication with dual shield welding. Family, today we got a little piece in. We got a student that just finished doing the T-joints, and now we made something different. So as you see, we grind it out on the sides, and the goal is to weld all the way around this. Now you see you got a little gap here, so you got to know how to slow down or to tack this part of it in, and then you can dive back into the weld. But my goal is to do an example first, and that way he can start working on fabrication. So we're on Fluxcore, so that's what we're gonna be using. And I'm gonna start on this end and come around. You ready? Yeah. My bad, it ain't got no. Put a track on the side on the other side. Make sure everything's good. Got a little bit of gap on this side, so I'm gonna have to fill the gap in. I had a little gap on that side. I want to fill the little gap in first because it was a little thicker. Now I'm finna finish the welding. All right, fam, we went all the way around it. We got some good penetration. As you see, this here had paint on that side, so it burnt. Got good penetration on it. And we're gonna put another plate on this side so it kind of helps us out. So I'm gonna tack it down, and then we're gonna clean it up, fam. So the goal is to just give you some, you're gonna have to practice on it, know when to slow down, know how to set your welding so that way you can be able to not burn through this. Because if the temperature is too high with Fluxcore, you're gonna burn through it. So we pretty much thumbed it up, man.